how do you change the color of these lines drawn on a graph? So with Matplotlib, you can see here that we created the graph using the plot function. So we created the first line over here and the second line. Notice that we called the plot function twice, and it drew the lines on the same graph, and it automatically gave them a blue color and orange color. And you can see that on your graph appearing like this. But how do you change the colors of these lines? So what you can do here is type the word color in and then type in which color that you want. So for example, I want that first line for sensor A to be red. At the minute, you can see that the red doesn't apply, so it was blue. So what we want to do is we want to change this blue line into a red line. So by just simply including the color argument here and assigning the value red to it, it will change the color of the graph. Now, separating this argument, what you need to do is put a comma in place there. So now if we run this, you can see our line has now changed into red over there and red over here. But a lot of time, what you want to do is you want to change the second line as well. So what you can do is same thing as before. So you can type the word color, notice the American spelling, and then in here, for example, we can type green and then comma and then the label. So now this line will be red for sensor A and the green line will be for sensor B. So currently, as you can see on the graph, because I haven't run the code, it's red and blue. So by running this code over here, so we can click this execute button over here and this will refresh our graph. And now you can see that we have refreshed our graph and we can see the green line for sensor B and the red line for sensor A.